Hey, what's up, you guys? This is Bug'em a lot. And as some of you might know, the X and Y buttons were not working on the YouTube for about a week or so. However, I did make a video showing you on where we could go to vote on YouTube so that they could fix this. And it seems like they have heard us, you guys. So some things do require a whole lot of people to vote on certain things, you guys. That's why I'm asking you today to please subscribe to the channel so that we could work as a community to get things that we need to get fixed on our Xbox and get them fixed. Now, you guys, here we go. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So a couple of weeks ago, this has always worked, but a couple of weeks ago they took this off. Look, so here we go. We're going to hit that one. All right, and then just because I'm only using one hand, I'm going to go space and hit it again. As you can see, the Y is the space button. Now we're going to go ahead and hit X to delete that. And there you go, you guys. Our X and Y buttons are now working once again. You guys, for all of you that went up to go do the vote thing on the YouTube thing where I showed you that page that I showed you guys, thank you so much. It really helped because look, our Xbox is working again, you guys. I'm so excited. Now I'm just going to go ahead and take a little nap here so it'll be easier for me to search stuff, you guys. I want to just thank you so much for subscribing to the channel. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one, you guys. Goodbye.